Guys, what is going on and welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you King of the Fall, alright. Prior design wide body C63 AMG 4K. Alright, now this is I think it's a Benz, right? It's an AMG Benz C63 by Visions Tolen Spire. I hope that's how you say it. And before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love supporting the car channel. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit it and then let's pass it. All right, and let's check this out. Let me see this beautiful car. From the thumbnail, it's yellow and it's wide body, or is it gold? I think it's yellow, but it looks nice though. On the wide body, they did a great job, like a really good job. That's not it. Oh, it's sitting in the corner. Yo, this mountainside is crazy. Oh, there it is. You hear this thing in the road, bro? Yo, this. Damn. Oh my god, this thing sounds crazy. She sounds like a plane that's like taking off. That thing was wow. Wow. All right. Let's see this white body, man. Show it to me. Damn. Oh, it's a coupe version too. Yo. This thing looks sick, yo. I'm not gonna lie. This thing looks sick. Oh, it's done already? I was like, man, I thought it was kept going. This thing was nice. Shit, bro. Yeah, this was well done, man. Vision tones inspired. This was well done. Very, very well done. Vision 2 inspire. Vision 2 inspire. I'm so stupid. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. Oh, wait. Okay. Peace.